It's spreading across the country like a wildfire on the run. They're picking them up and putting them down, people having fun. So once you get her going, boys, it's gonna be hard to stop, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It started down in Newfoundland, a cold December night. Jenny played the squeeze box, the wind blew out the light. We dragged the girls up on the floor and wouldn't let them stop. They started jumping up and down, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. They tell me up in Ottawa the government fell asleep, but Brian Tobin went to town, said now listen to me. Forget the cabinet shuffle, John, I think we've had enough. Get everybody on the floor, we're doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. There's Tony from St. Anthony and there's Betty from the Bight. They're out there on the dance floor having fun tonight. The hell with work, tomorrow's short, tonight we're gonna romp, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's up and down and in and out and up and down again. Shout and scream as loud as you can, just like the Newfie wind. Around and round and round you go until the music stops. Dance your feet right out of your boots, we're doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop, 'cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. Yes, everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. 2, 3, 4. Well, I used to buy the billygoat, and I used to buy the seltzer, I used to buy the catch the fish and bring them home to Liza.